You don't have to be religious to love a good old Norman church. Now, before you say it, yes, I know it looks like I haven't done a very good job. It's because the strimmer was broken. So the mowing is done. So I'm just having a big lunch now. I've just had my big lunch, in fact, and then I'll be moving on to the next job. So here is what I do to help digest a big lunch. You might like to do it with me, and then we'll follow it up with a very simple energy exercise. So in other words, I'm going to ease myself into a digested state. Then I'm just going to give myself a little bit of energy to move on to the next job. This one is so simple, like much of the stuff I tell you about. Are you ready? Breathe in all the way through your nose. Exhale really slowly through pursed lips. And again, but this time slower. And again. Just a couple more, doesn't have to be that slow. Okay, now you could do, as I often do, maybe 2 or 3 more of those, but for the purpose of this video, let's move on to the next very simple technique. Now, you've heard me talk about the mulla bandha, the perineum, before. I'd like you to clench that. For those that are new to that, just clench any of the muscles in your lower sexual region and clench them, hold as long as you can. Now, just holding that region will increase your heart rate, increase your blood pressure. And now to further enhance it, breathe in all the way, hold your breath. You don't have to hold your breath particularly long. You saw me do a little wiggle there. It's what a friend of mine, Philip, you know who you are, once described to me as a bliss wiggle. I love that description. That's what that was. I always get it when I clench the mulla bandha and hold my breath. Oh, I've got it then again. That's the wonderful thing about all this stuff. The great thing about clenching the mulla bandha is that you can do it and nobody's going to know that you're doing it. Anyway, here we are. I'll be moving on to my next job. I hope that little technique or techniques helps you. Have a good day. And for more ideas like this, come and join me on my course, the Evolutionary Flow course. 10 days out of your life, 20 minutes in the main each day Nice and simple, easy methods. You don't need to have any background. In fact, you don't really need to be skilled in anything to do with all this stuff, but anybody can do it. So come and join me. There'll be a link below. If not, see you soon. Bye for now.